how to tell the universe what you want and receive it immediately. You're going to get really fast results if you tuned into this really quick video, okay? I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to say to speak to the universe. Talk to the universe like this. And after this video, you will always receive what it is that you wish, okay? This is the first thing that you got to know about the universe. The universe is always listening to our commands. The universe is just like a genie, okay? Just like genie in the lamp. The universe is only listening to what you say. What do you want? The problem is most people spend their time thinking about all the things that they don't want to happen. They spend their time giving their attention and focus to all the things that they don't want to receive. And guess what the universe does? It gives them the very things that they don't want to receive because they are constantly focused on that which they do not like. It is very simple. That is profound. Okay. Ask and you shall receive. It is really that simple. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to get whatever it is that you desire, how to tell the universe what you want, and you will receive it immediately. Okay. So let's get right down into this video. Divine powers are always working for us because we do right. Now, here's the first thing you need to know. In order to get in good relationship with the universe, you have to constantly be in connection with the universe all throughout the day. All right. That's the problem that a lot of people have. They want the universe when times are bad, when times are rough. They say, oh, universe, please grant me this. But all throughout the day, they're never in connection with the universe, never in alignment. It don't work like that. You have to have a true relationship with the universe. You have to be in communication with the universe and speaking to the universe at all times throughout the day. If you're a person that speaks to the universe at all times throughout the day, comment below to confirm to the universe that you know that you speak to the universe all throughout the day. All right, just comment below for a show of hands. I want to see who's going to remain true to this. All right, now the second thing you must know is this. If you believe that the universe works for you, then the universe will work for you. Remember, whatever you give your attention to, whatever you believe, if you are the type of person who believes that the universe works for you, this universe will work for you. Or you can be like the average person who thinks that their circumstances make them get the results that they desire. Oh, I believe my circumstances. You know, if my car broke down, then it broke down. I'm a bad person. Oh, I believe I got bad luck. Then you got bad luck. The universe is going to give you bad luck. Whatever you believe, if you believe the whole entire universe worked for you, you will see the magic actually working for you. Now, this is what you must do when it comes to telling the universe what you want and receiving it. The first thing you must do is before you make your wish, you must feel the connection of the love of the universe, okay? The universe is alive and living, even though it's invisible, okay? Even though you can't see it doing things for you, except for when you actually receive your manifestations, all right? It's listening, it's alive, it's attentive. So what you want to do is you want to get yourself in a nice, quiet space and you want to relax, okay? One thing that I do is I always just kind of sit still. I be still and I try to let the universe consume me, okay? I try to connect my spirit to the higher dimensions of the universe by just sitting and just relaxing and just feeling the connection of love, okay? I know some people want to tap into this force field. Some people burn candles. You know, some people like to lay down in the bed. Some people like to go out into nature to get this feeling. Because here's the thing, the universe is like a force field, okay? When it's always ready for you to connect with it when you get yourself in a nice, quiet spot to connect with it, okay? And if you just calm down all your thoughts, you just get in a nice, quiet place where you can actually connect to this higher dimension, this force field, all right? You will feel a connection of love, okay? You will feel a connection of love come over you. A sense of being connected to everything in the whole wide universe just comes over you, all right? That's the first thing you want to do before you make your wish and before you set your intention and tell the universe what you want and receive it, okay? Now listen, the second thing that you must do is you must talk to the universe, okay? After you feel the excitement, the warmth, the love of the universe come over you, then you want to get in communication with the universe. You are now activated. Okay. You are now connecting to the universe when you are speaking. It's listening to you. It's just like a person. If you believe that this person, is listening to you at this moment, this person is listening to you. Out of all the moments this person been talking, you finally got the person's attention, and now they're listening to you like you listening to me right now. We're listening to each other, right? Okay, just say I'm the universe, okay? You got my attention. Now I'm listening to you. Tell me exactly what it is that you want. Now just say that I know you. I know you personally, okay? Because I know everything about your whole life. All right. Now, this is one thing you must keep in mind when you tell the universe what you want. Okay. You got to tell the universe exactly what you want. Don't beat around the bush. Don't sugarcoat it. Okay. Tell the universe what you want and why you want it. This is something that will get you to fast results. When you explain why you want what you want, and the explanation is noble, it's of good report, it's of good intentions. Okay, you're being humble with it. The universe is going to give you what you want. Okay, whether you think it or not, you're going to exactly get what you want if you explain why you want it. Now, here's the thing that trips a lot of people up. Don't get into a habit of just saying a whole shopping list of things. Don't say extra things to the universe. It don't want to hear everything you want. Okay, it want to hear one thing that you want at a time. Okay, so be realistic. Be realistic. Don't be saying stuff like, I want to be a billionaire tomorrow. Or I want somebody to bring a new car to me and park it in my driveway tomorrow morning. Like, you can't say outlandish things. You have to be realistic, and you got to come from the bottom of your heart about the thing that you want. If you know what it is that you want, and you know you really need it, and you could really use it, and you really feel like this is what you need in the moment, okay? Then the universe is going to give it to you really, really fast. Okay. So don't go all out of range. Don't go all out of bounds about, what you want and what you desire, because the universe is not going to give you what you know you can't obtain. Okay. It's only going to give you what your heart's desire. Now, if you do this right, after you begin speaking to the universe and telling the universe what you want and receiving it, you should feel a sense of closure come upon you, okay? It should be a sense of happiness. Like, the universe will basically send a feeling to you that make you feel like you've already received it, okay? You should feel like, yes, I got it. I know. It should be a big smile on your face right now, knowing that you now know how to tell the universe exactly what you want and receive it, okay? So you want to celebrate receiving it as though it's already done. Remember, when you asked, and you believe it when you was asking, you're going to receive it, okay? Without the shadow of a doubt. So you might want to play some of your favorite music. You might want to go and take yourself out and treat yourself. Just act as though what it is that you just asked the universe for, you will receive it, okay? That's all you got to do. Don't ever even talk about it no more. Don't ask for the same request no more, which is another thing that trips a lot of people up. Don't ask for it no more. That's it. It's done. Pronto. You are going to receive what it is that you just told the universe if you did it in the way that I've just explained it in this video. Okay? It's as simple as that. You will always notice that you always get what you want in divine timing when you least expect it. If you really believe that you're going to get what you want, okay, because I know some of y'all going to be asking after this video, if you really believe that you're going to get what you want after you ask, smash that like button right now. Go ahead and put it out there that you know that you're going to get what you want, because you're going to tell the universe what you want and receive it immediately. Okay. Now, this is for the people who really serious about receiving what they want. Okay. Comment below and let the universe know that thing that you're going to ask it for after this video. Just comment below the thing that you really desire right now in this moment. Just freeze the time and space right now in this moment in the universe. Comment below and just write out what it is that you wish for and tell why you want it. And that is going to be the thing that you do after this video when you ask the universe that you want to receive it. That's going to be the thing that you ask the universe for. Just write it out right now in this video. Okay. So I know a lot of y'all probably sweating my crystal necklace right here, my smoky crystal necklace. I'm selling out, y'all. If you want to buy one of these smoky crystal necklaces from me, it keeps all the negative energies away from you, and it just completely raises your vibration. If you want one, just like me, and this thing is really heavy too, but it's so much power in it, man. It's ridiculous. Okay. Get in contact with me. Send me an email, TreniusHenderson@gmail.com. I'm selling out. TreniusHenderson@gmail.com. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel by clicking my face icon right there. And turn on the YouTube notifications. Some of y'all don't have YouTube notifications enabled. You might have to go in YouTube settings and enable your notifications so you can get videos that I upload every single day, like these two right here. Do you have a question for me? If you want me to answer a question for you by video chat, click that Wizio link at the very bottom in the comment section. I'll answer any question that you might have. All right? I'll see you in the next video. Peace.